Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. It's Wednesday night. A little bit of quiet in the Passifaro household. Kate took the girls upstairs, and I'm going to leverage this time to record a quick video and show everyone a really neat feature that Zoom offers. I'm sure many of you already know, but if you don't, when you're the host, you can share your screen, and one of the choices is a whiteboard. So obviously, I was playing around on this before. I'm using a trackpad. I would rather much prefer use a mouse if I was writing on this virtual whiteboard, but I thought it would be a really great resource for especially our math teachers out there if you wanted to model some of your thinking and model the skill so that the students then can try on their own in their own notebooks at home. So if you knew about it, good stuff. If you didn't, maybe you'll give it a whirl next time. Take care, guys.